Grindel, if this committee were to request to obtain cell phone records from your network, your service provider, would you be prepared to grant such consent
For
and
what?
support the gathering of this information?
For what?
So that we can determine actually, if you have absolutely nothing to hide, would you be okay with that, granting?
Have to be serious conditions of defining the information you want. You can't go to my phone and get any kind of information. If you determine, and there is a methodology to say, this is information we want, 205 for this information, not everything in my phone, that can't happen. But if you say you want information about Cat, Matlala and all that, I'm fine, or any other. But it can't be blanket coming to my phone and getting anything in my phone.
So it's a no.
Yes, I'm simply saying, if you describe what information you want, including want information about Cat, that I'm fine. But you can't get my phone to get any other information that is in my phone that has got nothing to do with the ad hoc that is here. It can't be blanket. But you want this one about Matlala, get your 205 and carry it, I'm fine. But that you want to go through the photos and everything that is there, it can't happen. It just can't happen.